You have talked to ChatGPT. You asked a question and it answered. That's called a chatbot. But an AI agent is different. It doesn't just answer, it goes and does the thing. In the next few minutes, I will try to show you how it works. No jargon, basically using some plain words. Let's start with the big difference. Here on the left, you have a chatbot. You ask and it answers. That's it. One question and one reply. On the right, you have an agent. You give it a goal and it figures out the steps on its own. So, chatbot means one answer and agent means task done. The chatbot is like a smart advisor. The agent is like a smart employee. That's the basic difference. So, what is an agent exactly? An AI agent runs a loop. It doesn't stop after just one reply. It keeps going until the task is done. Step 1, think. It figures out what to do next. Step 2, act. It uses a tool like search, writing, clicking, or sending. Step 3, check. It looks at the result. Did it work? Step 4, repeat. If it's not done, it goes again. Think, act, check, repeat until the task is finished. Every AI agent has four parts. First is the model, that's the brain, the LLM. It could be GPT, Claude, Gemini, any of them. It does the thinking. Second are the tools. That's what the agent can actually do, like search the web, write code, send an email, or open a file. No tools means no action. Third is the memory. That's what it remembers. Like short term can be this conversation, long term can be your name, your preferences, and past work. Last is the planner. It breaks a big goal into steps, like book a flight becomes search, compare, pick, book, and confirm. That's what makes it feel smarter. Let's see this in action now. Real task, book me a flight to New York. Step 1, you give the goal, only one sentence, and that's all you do. Step 2, the agent makes a plan, search the flights, compare prices, pick the best, book it. You didn't write any of that, but it did it. Step 3, it searches, it uses a tool, opens a flight search site, and reads the result. Step 4, it picks the best option, like cheapest, fastest, whatever you said you prefer. Step 5, done. It books the flight and shows you the confirmation. You said one sentence and it took 5 steps. That's an agent. Memory is what makes agents feel like they know you. Short term memory is just this conversation, like RAM. It resets when you close the chat. Long term memory is saved between sessions. I prefer window seats or I work in tech and agent remembers this. External memory is your files, your emails and your calendars. The agent reaches out and reads what it needs. The most important thing is you have probably already used an agent and didn't even know it. Coding agents like Cursor or GitHub Copilot agent. You say, fix this bug. It reads your file, writes the fix, runs the test, and checks that it works. You just review the result. Research agents like Perplexity or Gemini Deep Research. You say, summarize what's happening in AI at this month. It searches, reads 20 articles, and writes a clean summary. Work agents like Claude Projects or Microsoft Copilot. You say, prepare for my Monday meeting. It reads your emails, checks your calendar, and drafts the notes. Now it gets a bit interesting. Big tasks need more than one agent. The manager agent is in charge here. It gets your goal and breaks it into several pieces. It sends each piece to a specialist agent. One agent researches, one agent writes, one agent checks the work. The manager agent collects everything, puts it together, and delivers it to you as a result. It's like hiring a small team except instant and free. Let's wrap it up. Chatbot answers. Agents act. The loop is think, act, check, repeat. Four parts: model, tools, memory, planner. One goal, many steps. Automatically. Teams of agents are the future of the AI work. That's what an agent is. No magic, just a very focused loop. If you want to see how agents connect to your apps and tools, check my MCP video. The links on the screen. Thanks for watching.